Hey guys, welcome back to Bright Night Tech. My name is Berto and today we are finishing my 3D printed Captain America helmet. That's right, this is part 3 and today what we're doing is we're doing the fun part, which is painting, which was quite an adventure and there were some problems there, but you'll see that in just a second. So enough talk, let's get right into it. Let's go. Alright, in the last video we hit this helmet with some silver. Today I went ahead and taped off the A in the wings so that we can hit it with that navy blue spray paint and then take off the tape and see how it turns out. But before we do that, let's look back at our helmet stand and see how that is going. Alright, here's the helmet stand. I had hit it with that navy blue in the middle of the star there. So what we're going to do now is remove the tape and hopefully be done. And we're going to remove the tape like this. Oh no. Oh no. This is... Oh god damn it. Alright, yeah, this is pretty bad. Oh jeez. Alright, well it looks like the red did not adhere to that silver underneath. It just pulled up like nothing. This had been drying overnight. Yeah, that looks really bad. Kind of looks like battle damage, so that's kind of cool, but this is definitely not what I wanted to do. So next step is trying to fix this. So let me figure that out. And while I figure that out, let's go ahead and work on the helmet and hit it with that navy blue. So let's go do that now. Alright, took this outside, sprayed it with that lovely navy blue. It looks gorgeous. Look how reflective that is. You can even see the sky. I'm not totally sure if the silver helped at all. It just could be a super glossy blue. I didn't really do any paint tests, so I can't tell you for sure. But I definitely don't see any metallic color coming through. It just looks super shiny and reflective, which is still really, really cool, and I'm very happy with that. So before we get to the next part, let's look at our stand and see if I fixed it. Alright, I fixed the stand, yay! So what I did is I took some of the spray paint colors that I needed, put it in a little cup, and then brushed it through. And because I don't really care about making the stand super perfect, I think it looks great. I think it looks pretty good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to pull up this last part right here to reveal the silver star. And we should be all done. After this, I'm gonna spray it with some of that gloss finish. And then once that is dry, glue the rest of the stand to it and we'll be all done. But yeah, this looks great. I'm super happy with the way I was able to fix it. I'm actually kind of surprised I was able to fix it. But yeah, looks good. We're gonna let it dry and then finish it off later. And now let's get to the chin strap. So this is the chin strap that I bought for it. It wasn't the right color I wanted. I wanted to find something brown and just had real trouble finding something kind of affordable. I didn't want to spend a ton of money on a friggin' chin strap that I'm not going to wear. But it is very loosey-goosey, as you can see. So in order to make it more rigid, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take all of this here and I'm going to brush it with some Mod Podge. We're going to brush it all the way through the whole chin strap, and then I'm going to let it dry, and that should make it rigid enough that I can put it on the helmet and it won't just droop down and look all sad. So while we wait for that to dry, let's get to the helmet. Alright, this has been drying past overnight, and now we are going to go ahead and remove the tape to reveal that silver A and the wings. Alright, pulling that off. Alright, looks good. You can see some of the silver came off on the painter's tape, which I'm not super happy about, but I had something similar happen with my Iron Man helmet with the gold doing the same thing. So you can see there's some touch-up stuff I need to do, but there is definitely some adhesive residue from the tape that stayed on the A, which I'm not happy about. But instead of boring you with me trying to fix this with little touch-ups, I'm gonna go ahead and do them. And then we will take a look at what it looks like at the end. So here we go. And there you have it. We are all done, and I think it came out pretty decent. Let's talk about some of the problem areas that I had. I'll just try to get through it quickly. The A on top in the silver, I have taped it off. When I took off the tape, it left this residue on there that did not look good. I thought, that's okay, I'll put the gloss finish on it and it will probably go away. It did not. So then I thought, oh, I'll touch it up like I always do with everything. Put some spray paint in a cup and brush it down. But because I had already put that gloss finish, it just started bringing that layer off, and it started coming off like a skin and leaving this like hole in the A. And so I tried to take some sandpaper and sand it down. It was not working. It was a whole mess. So then I took a silver leafing pen and tried to color it. It just did not end up looking anything like it did before. But I just put more gloss finish over it, and this is what we got. I couldn't put any tape on the blue. I know some of you are asking that because as we saw with the stand, the blue will lift off of the silver. Anything that I put on top of that silver just lifted up. So I didn't have that option, but there you go. But I'm still very happy with it. If I have any advice for you is once you got something down, stop messing with it, because anytime I've had any issues with any of these guys, it's because I saw this minor thing that I thought, oh, let me go fix that. And as soon as I did, I'd mess up some big part of it every single time. So just be happy with what you got, leave it alone. Obviously, if it's something you think you can fix, maybe try it. But if it's something super minor, don't chance it, just don't. But let me know if you guys have tried to print this file before. I'll put all the links in the description along with the Sentinel Props stand. I really love that stand. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and put in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button for notifications. And we will see you next time.